Do you find yourself eating more than you're comfortably full when you go out to eat? You think, well, when I stay home, I'm good. I can manage my portion sizes. But if I go out to eat for Mexican food, forget it. It's all over. Hey, I'm Amanda. I'm a registered dietitian and certified intuitive eating counselor. And this can be happening because you don't have full permission with the guacamole and the chips and the salsa. And how do you get past that? Go out to eat for Mexican food more often and have those foods in your life regularly, and then you won't be as compelled to overeat them.